There was a time when spending a $500 or 50,000 Indian rupees was not enough to get a good laptop. But the times have changed now, and you can expect to see some decent options when it comes to laptops under 50,000 or under $500. These laptops may not be the fastest or the most powerful laptops in the market, but we think they will be enough to get you through your day-to-day workloads without much of an issue. A few of our recommendations might cross the $500 mark or 50,000 Indian rupees, but we have consciously suggested them for the additional value they bring to the table. So in this video, I'm going to show you top 5 best laptops under $500 or under 50,000 Indian rupees. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which laptop did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Acer Aspire 5. The Acer Aspire 5 laptop you can get for less than $500 or 50,000 Indian rupees, and it is the best Windows 10 laptop available for this price. And it is for anyone who wants a Windows 10 laptop that won't break the bank. Acer Aspire 5 has improved significantly in its recent update, bringing better performance, build quality and battery life. The latest model is priced slightly higher right now, but it often comes in at under $500 or under 50,000 Indian rupees. With a 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor, 4GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD storage and a 15.6-inch Full HD display, this is a great laptop at this price point. That's a lot of computer for not a lot of money. Better yet, this is well-built budget laptop that inspires confidence in hand, and its keyboard and touchpad punch away above its class. Battery life is also a plus, with the Acer Aspire 5 competing with the laptops costing for more money in terms of the specifications. The 15-inch 1080p display on the Acer Aspire 5 is very good for the price as well, though you'll have to jump just outside the $500 budget to add touchscreen functionality. Since this is not a 2-in-1 though, this is less of a concern for this sort of money. Lenovo Chromebook Flex 5, the best Chromebook under $500 or under 50,000 Indian rupee. Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebooks is easy on the pockets, but let us tell you, it doesn't feel, look or act cheap. This Chromebook may have flex in its name, but ironically it is solid metal chassis in stalwart with a premium feeling part aluminum body. At first glance, you may dismiss the Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebook as another grey clamshell laptop, but this shape-shifting device can also transform into a tablet thanks to its sturdy 360-degree hinge. You are going to love the Flex 5 Chromebook's keyboard. It's the laptop's most standout feature next to its build quality. This backlit island-style keyboard has one of the clickiest, bounciest keys we have ever seen or ever experienced in a laptop under this price. The Flex 5 Chromebook is perfect for productivity work because the keyboard will have you flying through any word processing task with rhythmic speediness. Consider this laptop for its amazing flexible 2-in-1 design, touchscreen with pen support, exceptional keyboard. The disappointments are, it has got a below average battery life and the display is dim. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Asus VivoBook Ultra 14 and Ultra 15. After a long time, finally we have AMD's latest Ryzen Hexa-core 4th generation and Intel's latest 11th generation chipset with these new Asus VivoBook Ultra series laptops. This new Asus VivoBook Ultra is a perfect combination of beauty and power. With a new powerful Ryzen 5 chipset, an Intel 11th generation processor with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of NVMe SSD, it can quickly complete your heavy work task and casual gaming. This new Asus Ultrabook looks really stylish and premium with a plain aluminum panel and a slim boxy style build form factor. It was pretty slim and compact with a 14-inch size, which makes it so much portable to lug around in a backpack. If you want a 15.6-inch traditional sizes, then you will also have that option. The keys feel softer with a slightly better travel distance of 1.4mm. The keyboard is a backlit and is also spill resistant. The display quality is another prime point of this laptop. It features a 14-inch Full HD LED backlit Nano Edge display with a screen-to-body ratio of 84% and also features support for HDR playback. Overall, the Asus VivoBook Ultra have all the features and functionality that we are looking in a best budget laptop under 50,000 Indian rupees or under $500. Consider this laptop for its stylish and premium looking design, slim, compact and lightweight design, powerful performance with the 11th generation processor, good quality display and 8GB of RAM. The disappointments here are you cannot upgrade the RAM and many models, so be careful while selecting. HP Pavilion X360, the best 2-in-1 laptops under 50,000 Indian rupees or $500. The HP Pavilion X360 is the best 2-in-1 laptop under 50,000 Indian rupees or $500 that you can buy right now. If you are office users or graphic designers, you want stylish and compact 2-in-1 convertible notebook that can easily handle your routine work, then this one is the right choice for you. On the design front, the HP Pavilion X360 looks very clean and premium. It is very slim and compact. As the name suggests, the screen is 360 rotatable. You can use it as a normal laptop or can fold and use it as a tablet. The 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display with the minimum bezels on the both sides. The stylus input with the HP pen is also plus point of this laptop. It has got a comfortable keyboard with a white backlit. Letters on the keys are really big, so the keys easily recognizable from a distance. The laptop comes with a 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage for faster performance. Coming to its battery life, this laptop may give you around 6 to 7 hours of battery life. There are few disappointments with this laptop as it lacks a precision touchpad and RAM is also not upgradable. And in this list of best laptops under $500 or 50,000 Indian rupees, this is the expensive one. HP 15s and HP 14s laptops. Without HP laptops, we cannot even imagine making this list. HP 15s and HP 14s is our top best choice for the laptops under $500 or under 50,000 Indian rupees. These laptops comes in two variants, recently introduced in the market with the Intel 11th generation chipset and the brand new natural silver good looking design. These two laptops are available in two different variants, one with the Intel 11th generation i3 chipset and another one with the 10th generation Intel i5 chipset. If you are a fan of HP and looking for a laptop for sturdy office use and business use, then just press the buy button and buy this laptop. On the design front, the laptop does not look very different than other HP laptops. The look and design are almost the same, but with a new natural silver color and some minor design upgrades, definitely offer decent and classy feel. The 15.6 inches Full HD anti-glare micro edge display is very good. The laptop comes with the 11th generation Intel Core i3 processor and Intel i5 processor of 10th generation. The laptops comes with the 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of fast SSD storage. You will get the comfortable keyboard with a nice trackpad, and also it offers the necessary connectivity features including USB Type-C port. Coming to its battery life, the laptop may give you around 6 to 7 hours of battery life. So these are the top 5 best laptops that will cost you under 50,000 Indian rupees or under $500 in the international market. If I had left any of the best laptop in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.